In today's video, we are going to cover how to add your spouse's W-2 in TurboTax. Start by signing in to your TurboTax account and opening your joint tax return. Once the return is open, go to the Federal section, then Income, and then Wages and Salaries, or W-2. This takes you to the area where wage forms are entered and reviewed for the return. On the W-2 summary page, select Add another W-2. TurboTax will begin the process for entering a new wage form. The next screen may offer a faster way to bring in the form automatically. On the screen titled Get Faster, More Accurate Taxes with W-2 Autofill, enter the employer identification number from box B of your spouse's W-2. This is the employer's EIN, so make sure you use the number from your spouse's form and not the EIN from your own W-2. After entering it, click Continue. If TurboTax cannot import the W-2 automatically, choose Type it in myself. Then click Continue to move forward. This takes you into the manual entry screens for the form. On the Employer Information screen, find the drop-down menu labeled This W-2 Belongs to. Open that menu and select your spouse. This is an important detail because TurboTax needs to assign the W-2 to the correct person on a joint return before the rest of the information is entered. After that, complete the employer information exactly as it appears on your spouse's W-2. Enter the employer name, address, and any other required employer details shown on the form. If you need to add employee details, expand Show Employee Info and enter your spouse's personal information exactly as listed on the W-2. Once that section is complete, click Continue. Next, enter the remaining W-2 details from your spouse's form. This includes wages, federal taxes withheld, state tax information, and any other required boxes that TurboTax asks for. Enter each value exactly as shown on the W-2 so the return matches the form on file. When you finish entering the form details, click Continue to save the W-2. You will return to the W-2 summary page. At this stage, review the list of W-2 forms shown in TurboTax. Confirm that your W-2 appears there and that your spouse's newly added W-2 also appears. This is the point where you can verify that both wage forms have been added to the joint return and assigned correctly. Once both forms are listed on the summary page, continue with the rest of your tax return. Your spouse's W-2 is now added to the W-2 summary in your joint TurboTax return.